back when Apple did the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro event just a couple of days ago, one of the big things that was announced alongside these new iPhones was that Apple were going to start doing their own like wireless charger instead of using the Belkin ones that they've used for quite a long time. And they brought back a very familiar name because they have brought back Magsafe. So this is a bit different to any of the other wireless chargers because it actually has the magnets inside it, and it will kind of magnetize to the back of the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro. But the reason I bought it was because on the Apple Store, it said that it is compatible with my iPhone, which is the iPhone 11 Pro. So I thought what I'm going to do is just unbox it, show you what you get in the box of this Magsafe charger, and then see if it can work with any other iPhone. So let's go and unbox it. Okay, so first thing you do, let's open it up and see what is going to be inside it. So apparently you don't get the charging brick in it, and just from the packaging you can tell that there is no charging brick in this. So let's see what you actually get. So you get your charger, you get a little bit of paperwork that tells you about Apple or something. Do we get Apple stickers? No, of course we don't get Apple stickers. But then you have, this is it, the MagSafe charger. So open it up. So that is it. So it's a just charging cable. So you've got the USB-C charging port at the start there, and then the magnetic charger on this side. And you know what? It's actually a bit heavier than you'd expect it to be. So let's open it up and see what is going on with it. And that is it. That is the MagSafe charger. Bigger, I think, than I thought it'd be. So a little bit bigger. I don't know if you can see the length of it. How can I show without being an idiot? Oh, there we go. There's the length of this cable. Oh, I'm trying. It's not working, is it? And the one thing that I'm interested in is because it says on the Apple Store that it's compatible with my iPhone 11 and whether my Apple Watch and maybe my AirPods work with it. So let's go over to the testing area. Welcome to the testing area. So let's see whether any of this stuff works. So first of all, I imagine that if the website says it works with the iPhone, that means it'll end up working with like the AirPods as well. But we'll go Apple Watch first because I don't see why it wouldn't work, really. Oh, I think it'd be really cool if this did work, wouldn't it? Let's have a look. And no, so it doesn't work with Apple Watch, which is fine. Let's get that out of the way. Next, let's see if it happens with AirPods. In the middle. Oh, it does work. There's the light. There you go. So it does work with AirPods. So it means that even if you don't get the iPhone 12, then this still works as a charging mat. So we'll get that out of the way then. And then we'll see whether it works with the iPhone. So let's pop that on there. Oh, it works. So it does answer the question that this new MagSafe charger that is meant to work for the iPhone 12 and the 12 Pro does work even with the older iPhones. So as far as I'm aware, this then works with the iPhone 8 and onwards. So anything that has wireless charging in it, then it absolutely works. Just gonna double check. Yeah, it works. That's really cool, actually. And for these, yeah. There you go. So that is what the new MagSafe charger is. If you want a bit of a closer look, that is it. There's not much to it, but this is £39 in the UK and it doesn't come with the charging brick. So you'd have to get that on your own. But that's the unboxing and having a little first look at what the MagSafe charger is. If you're going to go and get the newer iPhone in a couple of days, I would suggest going to pick up this wireless charging mat for the MagSafe one now, because by the time you go and get it, it'll just be completely sold out and you won't need, you won't be able to get it. So if you enjoyed the video, why not like and subscribe to the channel? That'd be really nice. And until next time, see you later.